Hey everyone, welcome back to Project Weekend. Today, we've got something super exciting on the workbench that every DIY enthusiast and maker is going to love. Elecrow sent over their brand new CrowPanel ESP32-P4 Advance 7-inch HMI Display Module, along with some awesome extra accessories. We're going to unbox it, check out the insane specs, assemble the kit, and test out the pre-installed OS. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. Let's dive right in. First off, a huge shout out to Elecrow for the top-notch packaging. Everything arrived safely tucked inside thick bubble wrap and a sealed inner box. Before we open the main unit, let's take a look at these extra add-ons sent separately. We have a Meshtastic wireless module, DAC 00105W for long-range communication, a custom camera module, and a handy 4-pin cable to hook up external sensors or UART devices. Perfect for future projects. Now, let's open the main showpiece. Inside, we get two stereo speakers with pre-wired connectors. A USB Type-C cable, and safely anti-static wrapped. The main board itself. Just look at the engineering on the back of this board. It's feature-packed. Let's do a quick hardware tour. Right here is the powerful Espressif ESP32-C6MINI 1 wireless coprocessor. We have an onboard microphone, dedicated UART 1, UART 0, UART 3, and I2C1 ports. There are connectors for the 2MP camera, SysCam, LCD touch panel, and dual left and right speakers. Down here, we've got the USB 2 port, a battery connector, TF card slot, power switch, and dedicated reset and boot buttons. Everything is super well laid out and labeled crystal clear. Wow! This 7-inch capacitive touchscreen looks and feels premium. The glass surface is smooth and the overall build quality is solid. This is going to look amazing in any desktop enclosure or smart home dashboard. Assembly is super straightforward. Let's start with the dual speakers. I'll connect the left speaker first into SPKL. Notice these sticky backings? You can peel them off and stick the speakers directly onto the board for a clean setup. Now, let me plug in the right speaker into SPKR. Next up, the 2MP camera module. Let's slide the ribbon cable gently into its dedicated camera socket and lock it down. And just like that, our hardware setup is complete. Time for the moment of truth. Power cable connected. Flip the switch, and boom! Look at that crisp display lighting up. Check out these boot specs. MCU, ESP32-P4 dual-core, driving up to 400 MHz. Touch, 7. Capacitive screen. Camera, 2 MP. Memory, 16 MB. Flash, plus 768 KB. SRAM. Audio, integrated mic plus dual speakers. That ESP32-P4 chip provides incredible performance for smooth UI animations. Once booted, we're greeted with a slick UI featuring SquareLine Studio support, calculator, music player, settings, 2048 game and camera apps. Let's test out settings first. The Capacitive touch is super responsive. Wi-Fi connects seamlessly to my home router. Volume and brightness control respond instantaneously. Under About Device, we can see the manufacturer is Elecrow, running on the Advanced UI framework with full device info. And now, the real test, the dual speakers. Let's play a track in the music player. The CrowPanel ESP32-P4 HMI module from Elecrow is an absolute beast for makers, developers, and DIY tech fans. The dual-core power combined with built-in camera, audio, and wireless options opens up endless possibilities. And speaking of possibilities, I'm already working on an awesome custom DIY project using this exact display module for our next video. You definitely don't want to miss what we're going to build with this. So if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to Project Weekend, and smash that notification bell so you get notified the second that project video drops. Thanks for watching, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next project.